Really, my dear, you have no idea how cold and vile the land of the forgotten has become.
Just like your heart, Xibalba. Just like your heart.
Why must I rule a bleak wasteland while you enjoy the endless fiesta in the land of the remembered? It's simply unfair.
Vile. Unpleasant and unacceptable.
Celia's my housekeeper. A vile woman. I hate her.
Bleak. If a place is bleak, it is empty, and not welcoming or attractive.
When Chekhov saw the long winter, he saw a winter bleak and dark and bereft of hope.
Fiesta. A public celebration on a religious holiday.
There's a Fiesta with racing stripes over there.
Hey! You're there because you cheated! You made your bed with that wager. You're not the man I fell in love with all those centuries ago.
Let's not dwell in the past, mi amor. Anyway, I was thinking, how about another little wager?
You think you can calm the flames of my...
Wager. Bet.
What if I told you that God and the devil made a wager? A kind of standing bet for the souls of all mankind.
Dwell. To live in a place or in a particular way.
And all I ask, please, is that you just not dismiss that. And try to dwell in it. For just 10 seconds.
People of San Angel, please! I beg you, after the revolution, we need more volunteers to join this mighty brigade! Woohoo! A heroic brigade to protect us from Sakal.
Beg. To make a very strong and urgent request.
I come to beg you to confess all and swear allegiance to the king that he might show you.
Revolution. A change in the way a country is governed.
We'll go off in 23 days, regardless of Bane's revolution or what we or the outside world choose to do.
Mighty. Very large, powerful, or important.
Tell him, Faramir sends a mighty gift.
Brigade. A large group of soldiers in an army.
I hope you're not a member of the Fire Brigade.
No, but Maria passed away. I saw her. Oh, no.
Oh, yes. Mijo, what is it? One snakebite nearly put her in a trance. My champion easily woke the Sleeping Beauty.
Oh my goodness, it's a miracle!
Merely. Only, and nothing more.
And I'm merely remarking upon the paradox of asking a masked man who he is.
Trance. A temporary mental condition in which someone is not completely conscious.
And you come home, you're like in a trance, you're completely used.
Miracle. A very lucky event that is surprising and unexpected.
I'm the first to tell you I wasn't living my life as though everything is a miracle.
all my years, no one in any realm has ever talked to me like that and survived. So I ask you, are you threatening me, boy?
I will expose you to La Muerte, and then you and me can settle things!
Realm. A country ruled by a king or queen.
Behold, the great realm of the dwarf city of Dwarrendale.
Survive. To continue to live or exist.
The police will survive as they learn to serve true justice.
Threaten. To tell someone that you will kill or hurt them.
You have nothing to threaten me with.
Expose. To make public something bad or dishonest.
That girl finds her and threatens to expose her, so Maddie starts paying her off.